is your driver's license then? Well, I'm guessing the early first test would have been cancelled. Because it's really frosty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, get yourself ready then. Who knows you got your driving test?
Just my parents and my friends.
Right. This is Grace. Grace has got her first attempt this morning at 10:14. How do you feel, Grace?
Stressed.
Tell them what you do, what you're student and what you're studying.
Geography.
And what career paths are going to take you down?
No idea.
No idea. Typical student. Right, have you any questions before we start?
How do you turn on the rear fog lights?
Look where your lights are.
Yeah.
To the left there's two buttons.
Yeah.
The one at the bottom's the rear fog lights, the one at the top's the front fog lights.
Okay.
You'll only ask for the rear.
Yeah.
So you just tell them, okay?
The bottom's the rear.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
You just, yeah. Lights on, fog button on.
Yep.
Visibility list 100 metres. Right. When you're ready then. Now when you get in the car with the examiner, put your licence in here, look. Okay? Don't lose it, don't put in your pocket, just put it in there.
Yeah.
In that cup holder. Right, when you're ready. It's freezing, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the date? The day of the 9th?
Yes.
Grace is going home tomorrow, aren't you?
Yeah.
I want a nice smooth drive today, yeah?
Yes.
No rushing, just take your time. So you've got to concentrate this morning. You need to move in the right lane when it's safe. So don't worry, you don't have to look over your shoulder. Just you want the door mirror before you signal. Don't put a signal until you check that door mirror. I had one pupil look over the shoulder and they hit the curb.
So you're not supposed to look over your shoulder?
Unless
You were.
who's told you that? We're
Right.
turning right.
My gosh.
Turn right here, 177. You've got no signal. I remember looking for year 177. What were you saying about looking over your shoulder?
My driving instructor before told me that when you're changing lanes you have to check the door mirror and then look over your shoulder.
Well, if you're looking in the door mirror and you can see there's nothing there, why do you need to look over your shoulder for?
Just to check the blind spot.
Well, we all teach different. I'm not saying it's wrong, but if you keep regular checks in your mirrors and you can see there's nothing there, why do you need to check it? So now, if you haven't been looking in your mirrors for 4 or 5 seconds, maybe it's a long time. Then maybe I might have it. If I'm going to check it, it has to be a sideways glance. Okay, it hasn't got to be a right shoulder check. We're turning right at the lights. But I had a pupil on that road there. The exam says you need the right lane, and what he'd done is he'd been out with his friend on the night before, and then he looked over his shoulder and hit the curb.
Yeah.
If you keep regular checks in the mirrors, a sideways glance is not it's not necessary. However, if you're not 100% sure, you can do this. Yeah.
Yeah.
You cannot do this.
Okay.
We'll lose the car. Now remember, any of the manoeuvres this morning, if you're messing up, I need you to look around and correct them here.
Yeah.
You're going to get minor faults. Give them a lovely smooth drive and you'll be fine. Don't, if you find yourself in the wrong lane, just go where that lane tells you to go. Just
Yeah. If you hit the curb in a parallel park, do you fail?
it's a minor fault, but if you hit the curb really hard,
Yeah.
then it's a fail. But if you just nudge the curb,
Like I hit the curb would be
Yeah.
a minor.
minor.
Yeah.
But the first one you done, you mounted it, yeah, because it was a
Yeah.
very low curb. Now that would be a fail. But
Okay.
I would have just shunted it forward, yeah.
So if you hit the curb, you could just correct it.
Yes. But
Okay.
if you hit the curb really hard, which you shouldn't be anyway,
Yeah.
then it's just a minor fault, yeah. But
Yeah.
if you hit it really hard, then you're going to fail.
Yeah.
But if you mounted it, it's a fail also.
Yeah.
Now at the end of the road, turn left. Well, it's time to go at the test centre. Grace, how are you feeling?
Okay.
Good. I'm going to take the third road to the right. That's your first one. Now, if you want to do the beer park at the start,
Yeah.
I want you to turn left and do the one next to the disabled beer. You
The
got that?
one second to the end. Or in
No,
here?
Yes, in here. If you do it in
Okay.
here, yeah. Do you know which one I mean?
No.
Right. Go back to where you were hesitant before now. It was just a minor fault, but what I noticed was when you see that, when you're going after that car, you should be setting the gas and finding the bike now. And what you do is you wait till this car's here,
Okay.
and then what you start doing.
Then go.
So you should be setting the gas and finding the bike ready, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, we're in this space here, look. So there's the test centre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beers. That's the edge of the beer. There's the curb, look. So you were here now. We're parking this beer.
Yeah.
When you turn out of here, drive forward, don't turn straight away. What's going to happen?
Hit that.
Going to hit the curb. So drive forward and then turn right. Have you got that?
Okay.
Now, this beer is disabled, yeah?
Yeah.
So what I want to do is full lock the wheel, come down the middle of that one,
Okay, the second to the end.
over to the right in the corner.
Yeah.
Just go right in the corner and you'll have the yellow, normally the yellow handles on the door
Yeah.
handle. So then you just back it past them.
Yeah.
Got that? Right, do you want to open the bonnet? Have you been under the bonnet?
Yeah.
Do you know where everything is?
No.
Do you want to try again? Oh, I'll go there, Grace, to open the bonnet. Tell them what you've done.
Now.
No, when I asked you to open the bonnet on the previous lesson,
Oh.
what did you do?
I ripped the headlight thing off.
She pulled the cover off my headlight. Right. Go on and open the bonnet and we'll get now we'll say, do you want your trainer to come with you? Say no. You'll say, do you want him there at the end? Say yes. Have you got that?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Right, we're back off test with the amazing Grace. Grace, tell them what you've done.
Passed.
Tell them how many minors you got.
3.
What were the 4?
Not going in soon enough after a bus lane.
Yes, you left it a bit late to go over to the
Yeah.
left after the bus lane. What else?
Following too close to the car in front.
And what was the last one?
I forgot the last one.
So you got closer to a park car or something? Was it?
Maybe.
Yeah, I think it was that. What was the driving examiner like?
He was very nice.
Was he?
Yeah.
Did he chat much?
Yeah, a little bit.
So do you thought you failed when you pulled up?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know, but because
Yeah.
when I parallel parked, there was a car coming behind me.
Yeah,
When I noticed, I stopped, but I think it was quite close to me when I noticed.
yeah. But you stopped for it.
Yeah,
You see, he was well impressed by parallel park, wasn't he?
yeah.
I felt like seeing the hour before she mounted
Yeah.
the pavement. Did you do where
Yeah.
did you do where we done it this morning?
No, it was a different residential road.
Was it?
It was over that way somewhere,
Yeah.
but
And you must have done it perfect, did you?
yeah. I mean, curb-wise, yes.
Yeah. And your observations was good, yeah?
Yes.
Did you do the emergency stop?
No.
Oh, well done. Did you think you were going to pass?
I thought maybe, but I thought that the hill start and the parallel park, I didn't know whether not noticing the car, because when I did notice, I did stop,
Yes.
but I didn't know whether it was like too late or something.
So how far away from it was you?
About the car, a couple of meters behind me.
Just a couple of meters.
Yeah.
Must have been going very slow, was it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, well done. A couple of meters means that's right on top of you.
Yeah. Maybe like 5 meters.
If further back. Well, you've seen it stop, yeah?
Yeah, I had almost completed the.
Oh, right.
I was.
right.
It could get past, but it was
Yeah.
going quite slowly.